If your Windows PC has been feeling sluggish, crashing, or just not acting right lately, I want to show you exactly how I fix these issues using only 3 built-in tools. No third-party software, just the command prompt. First, go to your Start menu, type CMD, and it's very important that you right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If you don't do this, Windows won't give you the permission to fix system files. Once that black window pops up, we're going to start with a deep repair. Type dism.exe /online/cleanupimage/restore health. Now hit Enter. What's happening right now is your computer is communicating with Microsoft's official servers to find any corrupted system images and replace them with fresh original versions. This process might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just let it finish until you see the successful message. Next, we're going to run a local scan. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. While this runs, it's checking every single protected system file on your hard drive. If it finds a glitch or a file that was damaged by an app or a power surge, it will automatically repair it using the fresh files we just verified with the previous command. I usually run this once a month just to keep everything stable. Finally, let's fix your network. Type ipconfig//flushdns and hit Enter one last time. You'll see a message saying, "The DNS resolver cache was flushed." This is my go-to move whenever a website won't load or my connection feels laggy. It clears out outdated path data and forces Windows to find the fastest route to the sites you visit. I've listed all these exact commands in the pinned comment below, so you can easily copy and paste them without any typos. If these tools found and fixed errors on your machine, let me know what the report said in the comments. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that follow button for more practical Windows tips.